So we've had a lot of changes in the past week. Didn't do much last weekend because of the weather. But as promised, we are tearing this thing down. I'm going to start with just getting all the stuff out of the top of the engine bay, kind of sorted and everything, and ready to pull out. But I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video. It's going to be a lot of me tearing this thing apart on time lapse. So let's go. Pro tip, always have a box to put your bolts and stuff in. What's up, guys? I realized I didn't film an outro for this video, so we'll take a quick look and see what I got left, what I got done, and we'll go from there. Got the tripod on this camera still, so it's kind of hard to maneuver it around. But as it sits, we have intake off of it, starter, all the wiring. There's still some accessories on the power steering and the AC, and I think there's a tensioner there, which I don't think, maybe there isn't a pump for the AC, for the power steering.
No, that's right, because it's electric. Okay, so it's got electric power steering. Hopefully today I'm going to get the Freon removed out of the AC system, so we don't have to worry about letting loose a bunch of Freon. I got a guy coming to help me suck the Freon out, but that way we can get on pulling this the rest of the way out, this engine. Hopefully next video we will be opening up the little rotary motor and seeing what happened. Like I said, main thing I have left is really just the bell housing bolts, the engine mounts, the exhaust, and the AC stuff. And then it'll be just cleaning up the engine bay after that. So I guess that's pretty much it for this week, for this video. It's kind of short. I didn't realize after I started editing out all of the stops and breaks and everything, how short the video was, and the time-lapse stuff kind of slowed the video down a little bit, or sped it up a little bit, I should say. So next video we'll be tearing down the engine, hopefully, and if not, it will be going to pull the replacement engine. I was hoping to do that this weekend anyways, but things didn't really work out, so hopefully we'll find a different one to go look at and hopefully bring home with us. But I guess that's it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.